This is Sunday of RockyGrass 2010. Here's John, my awesome cohort in Irish music who came all the way out from Tampa to be here and experience this in Lyons, Colorado, the most gorgeous place. And yeah, this is called tarp run. That girl is running. Look at her go. She's got a stride. And people wait at midnight for the lottery to open and get their numbers so they can come and run out and put their tarps out. So you can see there's people over there rooting them on, and they're running.
He's got a good stride.
He's got a good stride too. Yeah. And then the musicians are up there on stage playing music for them while they're doing this. It's just the best. And another awesome day. This is the last day of RockyGrass. We've been here for a solid week in the academy. And also as a volunteer. Well, not John, he backed out. But me. All right, I saw where you got the tarp. Yeah! Score! They go, look at it, go right for the trees. I said, that's what, gosh, yeah, I don't know how. Let me tell you. Jesse Burns showed up. We played some more Irish tunes until 3:30.
Said he was back there. Gigi stayed a while.
Oh yeah, she did. Yeah. And then I took a shower.
And you had to be working at 7.
I had to be here at 7, and my alarm clock in my head woke me up at 7:30. So I threw on anything I could get, which is what I'm wearing.
I thought gates were at 9, so I should have been warm and got up at like 8:15. My neighbor's like, "What are you doing up?" Just have to make a good breakfast.
Oh, thank goodness. Oh, honey, yeah. Bring me one of those cookies.
I'll bring some back.
Yes, please. And this is our beer station, the libation station where we work. There's Heidi Ho back there. Oh my gosh, we have so much fun. Oh, look at her, she's playing the penny whistle. Yes, a Michael Copeland. That's the identical one to the one I lost 3 years ago here. And that's Pete. Awesome Pete from, what's that?